In this video, we'll walk through the basic stepper motor theory required to use a stepper motor. A stepper motor is a type of direct current motor which provides a high level of torque and precision. A stepper motor is constructed by a permanent magnet as the rotor and several electromagnets as the stators. By magnetizing the different electromagnets, the rotor is thrown into alignment, making it step. This type of operation is called full step, as the rotor is moved to a complete alignment with one pair of active electromagnets. By magnetizing more than one pair, it is possible to achieve half-step operation. The resulting electromagnetic force points towards the middle of the two magnets, allowing for more precise stepping. The number of degrees the motor can move with each step is called the step angle. The example motor discussed so far only has 4 magnets, allowing for a minimum step angle of 45 degrees. Most applications require a much more smoother operation, which thus means a smaller step angle. This can, for instance, be achieved by adding more magnets. The motor applied with the home automation kit has a step angle of 1.8 degrees. It operates on a 12 volts input and 4 control lines, 1A, 1B, 2A and 2B. By applying the correct poles to these inputs, the correct magnets are magnetized for stepping. To simplify the design, the home automation kit also includes a stepper 2-click. Instead of having to apply inputs to all 4 control lines, a simple PWM pulse is applied, which the stepper 2-click translates to the appropriate waveforms on 1A to 2B. One PWM pulse makes the motor step one time, which in this case is 1.8 degrees. After 200 pulses, the motor has rotated one full rotation.